Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Create a YouTube channel and a Getlike account before connecting them. Sign into Google and verify your channel ownership when prompted. Open a Google Cloud project and enable the YouTube Data API to use channel controls. Generate OAuth 2, 0 client credentials, and a simple API key to authorize calls. Log into Getlike and paste the API key into Settings to link services. Record your channel ID and copy the Getlike API key in Settings for quick reference. Use the OAuth flow to grant Getlike permission to manage your YouTube channel. Click the Connect YouTube button inside Getlike and choose your Google account. Carefully review each permission scope before accepting to protect your data. Select required scopes such as Upload, Analytics, Read Only, and Manage. PubSub when prompted by Google. Confirm the Google consent screen and click Allow to complete the authorization step. Return to Getlike and verify the linked account appears in the integrations list. Create a test campaign in Getlike and select the linked YouTube channel as target. Configure actions like likes, views, or comments according to platform policies and your goals. Set budget limits and daily caps to prevent unexpected activity spikes. Run a small test action and monitor immediate results in both Getlike and YouTube Studio. Verify metrics and confirm video uploads or engagement changes within 24 hours. Monitor analytics regularly, revoke permissions if needed, and follow data privacy best practices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.